Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can link Airbnb to Payoneer. So, the first thing that you are going to do here is to log into your Airbnb account and then switch to hosting. Okay, after that, tap on the three horizontal lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. That's right, and then go to the account settings. Okay, so right here, you just have to proceed to the payments option, this one, under the taxes, and then proceed to the payouts. All right, so here you just have to add at least one payout method so they know where to send your money to tap on the setup payouts. Okay, and then here, how would you like to get paid? So you just have to select the Payoneer in USD. So tap on it and then you just have to tap on continue and wait for a couple of seconds. So after that, you just have to select whose bank account it is. So tap on your name and then tap on continue to Payoneer. After that, just wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that, you just have to include the detailed info here so that you're going to get you to the right person. After that, you just have to tap on the send option and then wait for their message. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below.